Riches team, how are you all doing? I'm excited today, guys. Guess what? I'm gonna be making some vegetable sandwich sauce. Yes, I'm telling you, it's gonna be boom. Stay tuned and see what it's gonna come out to be like. So guys, for the ingredients, we have some green tomatoes, we have scotch bonnet, we have ginger, garlic, we have red chili, we have green chili. So we're going to put this together and make it a wonderful sauce. Okay guys, to my pot I'm going to be adding my sliced onion. So guys, here is our blended sauce all together. I'm going to add it to the pot right away. So I'm going to add all the blended stuffs like so. I'm going to add some of this blended bell pepper. Stir everything to combine. This is the base for the vegetables. Here I'm going to add my salt. Going to add 1 Maggi seasoning. So firm. I'm going to be adding my crayfish and my ukbei, my castor seeds. Ukbei is very good, especially for your sauce, for your soup. Use it for all native recipes. You will love it. I want it to toast together with the pepper. This is going to come out very delicious, guys, trust me. So guys, I have a spring mix, okay, and this is what I'm going to be using for this recipe because that's what I have at home. So this is it. I'll go ahead and shred it and then I'll show you what I want to do. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm going to be adding my vegetables. Try this guys, you will love it. Here's some onion. We usually enjoy this for breakfast, for lunch. If you have this at home, you can just add it to your bread, use it for your yam. It's just like the last recipe I just did last week. That is it, your vegetable is ready. So here is my bread. I'm going to show you what I'm about to do right away. So guys, here is our vegetable sandwich. Okay, this is it. Try this, you will love it. Hope you try this and let me know in the comment section. Riches team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. Bye bye. See you soon.